Hi, in this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to create a standard portfolio. This process requires an account, bank account, and a mandate. To begin, navigate to the Portfolios tab and click the Workflow button. From there, select Standard Portfolio under the Client section to proceed. Start by entering the general information for the portfolio. Fill out all required details, including the portfolio name and currency. Next, select the company it belongs to and choose an account. If the account has not been created yet, you can set up a new one as either an individual or entity account. For this guide, I'll walk you through creating an individual account from scratch. With the portfolio workflow, everything you need is in one place, no need to navigate elsewhere. Once you've entered all the required details for the individual, such as name, birth date, identification, and tax information, simply save your progress. Wait for the success notification to confirm the account creation, then click back to continue with the portfolio setup. Next, let's set up the bank account. Since we created an account from scratch, there won't be any linked bank accounts available to select. You can either add an existing bank account or create a new one, which is what I'll demonstrate here. Still on the same page, you'll need to enter the required details starting with the bank account name, which determines how it will appear on the platform. Then, provide the external name, custodian, and IBAN, an alphanumeric code used for secure international transactions. If your bank does not provide an IBAN, you can skip this field. Next, select the usage type based on the intended purpose of the account. After that, choose the currency, and if necessary, enable the option to allow multiple currencies. Finally, enter the opening date of the bank account, as this is a required field. Once all the details are filled in correctly, you can proceed to the next step. Notice the progress bar at the top of the form. It updates as you move through each screen. If needed, you can click on a previous tab to go back to a previous section. Next, let's set up the mandate. A mandate is a formal contract between the client and your company as the service provider. It defines the terms, conditions, and rates for portfolio. We highly recommend including an agreement number as a reference, and it's mandatory to input the start date. You can set to allow marginal trading for your portfolio and set other requirements for order creation, then click Save. Select a manager for the portfolio, either a portfolio manager or a sales manager. You can set here the management fee percentage to be applied. Once set, you can save it to go to the last component, which is the authorized persons. These individuals can be granted permission to view or manage a client's investment portfolio based on predefined access rights. Fill out the fields with the client's information, ensuring that the provided email is valid and active, as this will be used for important notifications and account activation. In the status field, you can select Access to grant them permission. The final step is to review all the entered information. Carefully go through each section to ensure accuracy, including bank account details, mandate settings, and authorized persons. If needed, you have the option to edit any section before finalizing. This step helps prevent errors that could impact portfolio management. Once everything is confirmed, proceed with saving and completing the setup. Congratulations! You can now confidently set up a portfolio from start to finish. If you wish to watch a step-by-step on-screen demonstration of Platform Tour, click the Walk Me Through button.